My name is Karen Lundy, and I'm the financial manager. I have been here about 8 months. I worked here prior about 9 years ago.
Did you notice significant changes upon your return?
I mean, it always felt friendly, and I always enjoyed working with people here. That's kind of one of the reasons I came back was, I had a lot of relationships here, and, life kind of took me away, and when we moved back, this place was always in my mind to come back.
What aspect of your work brings you the most pride?
One thing I will say, just with all of us learning a new system this year, is that we've all done really well with such a big change.
What motivated your decision to come back to this company?
Just the people, the relationships I had prior, just, the environment. I mean, the company is, it was great before, but you can really see the strides that they're taking, just being a forward-looking company and always looking for ways to improve, and they're investing in new talent, and they promote from within, and so I feel like they really encourage employee growth.
What tasks in your job do you find the most intriguing or engaging?
So one of the most interesting tasks that I've come across since working at JENSEN is just being a part of the local management team. You get a feel for the needs of the other departments, and you can work together to find a solution.